Hi everyone, welcome to Aya. Today we will be going over how to customize the switch on the Juki 9000C. I am going over the settings for the Juki 9000. In this case, I have the FMS. A lot of people question how to program these two buttons here. I'm going to show you my factory settings for this button, and then when I actually first received my machine, this button was not programmed, so I selected where to program it. We are going to go through that steps here shortly. And the very first screen that comes out is lifting your needle. So I just push the screen. As you can see, when I push my memory button, I only have 7 settings. From my 7 settings, if I hold down this memory button until it beeps, you will see I now have 15 settings to choose from. The option you're going to want to pick is number 11. Is this bottom switch here, which in my case, factory settings came, that's the lock stitch, or the reverse for my lock stitch, I'm sorry. Setting 2 is this top switch, so it's hand switch B. That is this button here. When I click that, there are, I believe it's over 20, but let me make sure. Yes, there's 22 different options to what you can set it for. I will slow down so you can see them. Once you choose one of these settings, that will be what this foot does. So in my case, I have it set for needle up and down correction sewing. What that does for me is, while I am sewing, I can tell the machine to raise the needle, or put the needle down, raise the needle again, put the needle down. So every time I push that button, it'll either raise the needle or drop the needle, depending on where I am with that last stitch. That's all for today. If you have any questions or pointers, please leave them in the comments below. If you're interested in joining our Facebook group, it's Juki 9000C users, where there's a group of us that have this machine and we're trying to explore and learn it together. So we're more than happy to have users join us there. Until next time, happy sewing!